Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Tuesday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. What do we have today? And looking at today, 1:30 Ghana time, we have core PPI and PPI. So core PPI, we're expecting neutral. PPI 2, we're expecting neutral. So we're expecting neutral news today. That's the only news we actually have for the day. So let's go back to the chart. And I look at yesterday, we had only 90 pips, and then market reversed against hit stop loss. So if you didn't close your positions like I instructed, then you definitely hit stop loss. But if you closed, then you were good to go. All right. Okay, so what is happening today with gold market? First of all, daily time frame. Now, if you look at daily time frame, you can see for sure that there was a breakout at this level here, and you can see that nicely there has been the retest. Gold has retested yesterday. So, are we going to fly or we are going to drop? Because if you look at it very well, you can also see a bearish engulfing, right? So, since we've seen a bearish engulfing, are we flying or are we selling? This is the critical moment. Now, if you ask, somebody will say, oh, since we've seen bearish engulfing, we are selling. Yes, you are right. Somebody will also say, oh, because it is a break and retest, you are flying. You are right. But at the end of the day, what will happen? The market will choose. So, since the bearish engulfing has seated or is sitting on a breakout, which is now a support. So, in other words, bearish engulfing sitting on a support zone. So, it will be difficult. Do you understand? So let me take you to H4. Good. Now, if you look at H4, you can see clearly a very beautiful one at that. Very beautiful one here. Very beautiful. So you see, after testing, now it has started flying already. So what are we going to do today? What can we do? What can we do? Now we have a resistance right here. Okay. Right. So let's see if we are going to get a retest. If we get a retest here to 2665, we can all push and go long all the way to this resistance, and possibly we can break the resistance and go to the next resistance level right here. All right. Yeah. So guys, just watch out. Today, I might be very late with the market because I have some funeral to attend this morning. So I might trade with you guys during the New York session, or I might not trade at all today. Okay. So whatever happens, just follow what I'm giving you today or this morning, and you are going to be fine. As long as you are following it cleanly, believe me, you will be able to trade successfully by yourself. All right. Okay. So H1, what is happening in H1? Yesterday, there was a trend line. I did not draw the trend line today. Let me show you why. All right. So if you look here, this is the trend line. And I didn't show you again. I didn't show you the trend line today. The reason is simple, because this is a third touch. The market didn't respect the third touch. It broke it. And as it was coming for a retest, it still broke it to the downside. So it tells you that this trend line is not a valid trend line. That is why I did not draw it today. I know a lot of people will be asking, but there was a trend line here. Where is it? So that's the reason, right? On the third touch, it broke to the upside. It came back, instead of it to retest, it still broke to the downside as well. So it has been violating trend line rules. In that case, you have to remove it. All right. Yeah. So H1, when you look at H1, you can see for sure that, of course, it has started flying already, and it gave a nice morning star right there. So after the morning star, you can see that it has been flying nicely, right? Yeah. So what can we do today? What can we do? If the market can test this level, you can fly. But it might not do that, because you see this level right here, it has tested that one too. So you can also get another small zone right here, which is preventing the market from pulling back to this level. Okay. Yes. So I will advise you, just observe the market. Okay. Just observe the market. And when whatever you see, you take advantage. For now, there has to be a bullish pattern, and it has already formed and it's flying. So wait, if you get a pullback, you go long. Okay, either to the first zone or to the second zone, then you go long all the way to 2685, 89, 2690, or 2700, those levels. All right, 30-minute time frame. So when you look at 30 minutes, you can see that yes, after it pulled all the way here, it was trying to respect this level. I'm sure a lot of people have been hitting stop loss by now, because they were trying to look for a sell right here, and it did not work. And it was valid too, because this is a nice bearish engulfing. So a lot of people will be selling, and it has broken. It is normal. All right. So guys, just watch, okay? Just watch, and whatever you see, once you see a valid something, you just shoot, and make sure you use stop loss, okay? So when I return and I see anything, I'll share with you guys. And if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share the video, and also follow for more. All right. This is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video, and have a nice day.